Welcome to the Chichester College Group Visual Student Privacy Notice. Chichester College Group is committed to delivering outstanding teaching and learning. In order to deliver your qualification and support you while you study at the college, we require your personal data. This video explains how we collect, store and use your data. Personal data is anything that can be used to identify you. This includes your name, address, telephone number, what school you used to attend, any educational needs or exam concessions, unique identifiers such as your student number or unique learner number, attendance at college, and how you use our computer systems. The amount of data we hold will depend on how long you have studied with the college and how many of our services you have accessed. This information is held on paper files and within our computer systems, either hosted on-site or in the cloud. You can trust that our systems are secure and only staff who need access to information for their jobs have access to it. Sometimes we are required to share your data, but in doing so, we continue to respect your privacy. This could be to deliver your qualification, such as when we share your work and details about you with your exam board. We also have statutory obligations to share data, such as with the Department for Education, and if you are a higher education student, the Office for Students. Sometimes we have to share information to keep you and others safe. To do this, we work closely with the police, local prevent team, the council and MASH, the Multi-Agency Safeguarding Hub. If you are an apprentice or completing work experience as part of your course, we will also share limited data with your employer. Information may also be shared with your consent. It is not always appropriate to use consent, but where we do, this means we get your permission first, before passing information on to the third party. You can withdraw consent at any time. When it comes to communication with parents, guardians and other family members, we will only discuss your performance and progress at college if we have your permission to do so. You give this consent when you enrol with the college. You can add, remove or change your consent at any time. You do this by completing a data release form and returning it to your student tutor or the student records team. Emergency contacts are something completely different, and your consent preference will not stop the college contacting your emergency contact in an emergency. The college may also contact your parent or guardian as part of the positive behaviour management referral process, where we can show it is in your best interest to do so. For international students, there is additional information we are required to share with your agent and the Home Office. Further information can be found within your contract of study. It is important to remember you own your data. This means you are in control of your data and who has access to it. Data protection legislation gives you rights. The right to be informed. You have the right to know what data we hold on you and how we use it. That is the purpose of this video and our written privacy notices. Right of access. To see your personal data and request a copy of it. The right of rectification, correct any data which is out of date. Erasure, also known as the right to be forgotten. In some circumstances, you can ask us to delete your data from our systems. Restrict processing, data portability. To object, tell us how you would like to be contacted about marketing and surveys. And rights in relation to automated decision making and profiling. You also have the right to raise any complaint with a supervisory authority. Chichester College Group is registered as a data controller with the Information Commissioner's Office. We hope you can see that Chichester College Group takes your privacy seriously and takes steps to protect data in our care. To find out more about how Chichester College Group protects your data and your information rights, visit our website www.chigroup.ac.uk. If you still have questions or wish to use any of your rights, you can contact the data protection team by emailing dp@chichester.ac.uk.